Good evening. We begin tonight with a look at Wall Street, where major indexes took a breather after yesterday's rally. The Dow Jones Industrial Average edged lower, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq hovered near flat territory. Investors are in a holding pattern, awaiting key earnings reports and economic data. The anticipation centers around Nvidia's upcoming earnings report, expected after the market close. Analysts predict a 66% year-over-year revenue increase, reaching $43.28 billion. However, concerns linger over a $5.5 billion charge related to U.S. export restrictions to China. All eyes are on Nvidia as the tech titan prepares to release its quarterly earnings. While the company is poised to report significant revenue growth, challenges loom. U.S. export limitations on its H20 chip to China could impact future earnings, raising questions about the sustainability of its growth trajectory. Investors are keen to see how Nvidia navigates these headwinds, especially as the AI sector remains a focal point for market growth. Turning to the housing market, mortgage rates have reached new heights. The average interest rate for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage now stands at 6.922%, the highest since 2007. This uptick is attributed to rising Treasury yields and inflation concerns. Higher borrowing costs are expected to dampen homebuyer demand, potentially cooling the housing market in the coming months. In Washington, the federal government is undergoing significant workforce reductions. Agencies including the Federal Reserve, NASA, and the Securities and Exchange Commission are implementing layoffs as part of a broader restructuring effort. These measures aim to streamline operations and reduce expenditures, but they also raise concerns about the potential impact on public services and regulatory oversight. Finally, a reprieve in global trade tensions. President Trump has announced a delay in imposing new tariffs on European Union imports, a move that has been welcomed by markets worldwide. The postponement provides a window for further negotiations and has contributed to a more optimistic outlook among investors. That wraps up our coverage of today's top financial stories. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for watching.